compare sa other area. Mura na curious na ka gani sa paamaagi na dira nimo ma-define ang problem. Number 3. Hypothesis. Formulate a stable explanation or prediction based on existing knowledge. Example, the plants in the area with more sunlight are growing taller because they receive more light for photosynthesis. Number 5. Number 4 ay experiment. Design and conduct an experiment to test your hypothesis, manipulating variables and collecting data. Example, place identical plants in different areas of the garden. On with more sunlight and one with less, and make sure they grow over a month. As that statement say, nag-involve jud siya og experiment kay eksperimentuhan man nila ang plants. Number 5. Data analysis. Analyze the data collected during the experiment to draw meaningful conclusions. Example, i-measure nimo unsa kataas sa plants sa both area and i-compare ilahang growth rate between them. Number 6. Conclusion. Based on the data analysis, draw a conclusion about whether the result support or refute your hypothesis. Example, if the plants in the sunny area grow taller, it support the hypothesis. If not, you might need to revise the hypothesis. By following this step in the scientific methods, researcher can scientifically investigate natural phenomena, test hypotheses, and contribute to the collective knowledge in their field. Verification theory is considered valid